Why would I give them free PR?
Ma!
Thing, I don't understand why people are like, you're only showing high reviews on your social media. Like, yeah, if I go to a place and they don't treat me right, they don't give me good service, or they're just not delivering, why would I give them free PR? Doesn't make sense to me. So on this channel, you're going to see places where I would travel that meet my standards, that are providing great quality when it comes to stays, places to eat, things to do. That's what this is about.
You get the idea.
Hi, if you're new here, my name is Steph. I am a licensed travel agent based out of Atlanta, Georgia. And today we have a fun video. I got invited out to Savannah with a Kimpton property to, one, show y'all what is really tea out here, and two, be able to celebrate Juneteenth with an exclusive group of Black entrepreneurs and local Black artists. I bring you travel tips, hacks, things to do, see, and eat in some of the hottest destinations. And if you're like, I love to travel, but I hate planning a trip, or you have a fun group celebration coming up either for your bachelorette, your honeymoon, celebrating a birthday, hit me up. I am a licensed travel agent, and that is a part of what my agency is all about, bringing fun and relaxing vacation experiences to the overworked millennial. While I'm getting dressed, I'll give you a tour of the room, and then we can head down to the event.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Move around, you know. No, this is funny.
Oh yeah, gang. Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram, sling. Walk on the vibe, my dick. Start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That would not mean nothing to me. That would not mean nothing to me. The vibe will know I know. You then you know check on. I do a shot in the bamboo. I was the girl from the ghetto. Yeah, girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Damn, oh yeah, gang. Jello, oh yeah, gang. Love on me, oh yeah, gang. Oh yeah, gang. Oh yeah, gang. Damn, oh yeah, gang. Jello, oh yeah, gang. That's the life of a city boy.
Are you staying at the hotel?
I'm not. I'm a local.
Oh, okay. You came for the
Savannah.
event?
I did.
Nice.
Yeah.
Happy
Where you guys
Juneteenth.
from? You too?
Atlanta.
Oh, okay. ATL. You're from here? Okay. And you live here, so. Yeah.
Oh, that's I forgot that you could airdrop right there. Do you use Visco?
I use Lightroom.
Lightroom, okay. Wait, 40?
I just celebrated 40. I know.
Oh, wow. You look
you.
great.
Thank y'all.
Tell us the secret.
It's the melanin.
Oh, I'm right here.
Shit.
I'm just waiting until she gets her
Sorry.
fixins. No, take your time.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take a bag, please. No, you would be very kind.
Thank you.
Like y'all jumpsuits.
Thank
Y'all look
you.
too
I love when hotels focus on community building. For the Juneteenth event, Brice Hotel brought out Pop's Grilling. Definitely check them out. They had barbecue, they had fried fish, fried shrimp. Everything's really good. And for a little something sweet after lunch, I got Make It Snow Cone. After lunch, I mingled a bit and enjoyed the rest of the event.
Mom and dad, are they both alive still in your life? Best friend is mom, maybe? If you had to pick a best friend, tell which one would you pick?
I wouldn't say either are a best friend. We have healthy relationships.
Do you communicate with them frequently? Either one of them every day?
Yeah.
All right, someone that you would trust, you know that you could call if things were dire. Is there someone that you would call and may be able to do something for you? Maybe not swoop in.
I would call my mom.
Okay. You know, there's some other things like, you know, co-experience and things that you like together, cohabitating, but no, I went for the trust factor.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day,
Yeah, based on that, I would say me.
all right, so is it mom influenced, maybe? Who had the most influence on who you are today?
My mom. What do you think of the event?
I like it. I really like it. I like the fact that people show up
Yeah.
for sure. I like the fact that people.
And I like what it represents.
That's all I got. Oh, wow. I wonder sometimes, I wonder if I was wrong.
After the event, I enjoyed the complimentary happy hour that the hotel does, and I brought my mom along on this brand trip, so we freshened up and then got ready for dinner and a night out in Savannah. On our way to Leopold's to get some Leopold's ice cream. Usually the line is very long, but it is 9 o'clock. They close at 10, so hoping that we've skipped the crowd. Huh? I think it is. Even though I've been to Savannah many, many times over the course of my life, I've never tried Leopold's ice cream. I know it's a big thing, a big tourist attraction, and I'm like, let me be a little bit of a tourist. And honestly, the line was initially a bit off-putting, but after a while, you kind of get committed to it. You're in it for the struggle, and you're like, if it draws this type of crowd, I really have to try this ice cream. As we were waiting, the staff actually comes out and brings you water, which is pretty cool. It's a bit of a morale boost. I'm not going to lie. The water did help me make it to the door because I was almost about to leave. But so glad that I didn't, because as soon as we were in there, it smelled amazing. And there was this advertisement for this brownie sundae that just looked too good. Do I feel like I would stand in line for it again? Probably not. I would either go when the line is much shorter or just go to another spot. And they have locations on River Street and right downtown close to where Leopold's is. I shared about that and more things to see and do in Savannah in an earlier vlog. After this, go ahead and check that out if you want a complete list of ideas of things you can do if you decide to visit this charming city. It's okay. I was sleeping on my job. So we just finished brunch at Collin's Quarter Cafe. It is located centrally in Forsyth Park. It's perfect if you want something quick and refreshing. The food is pretty good and consistently so. We tend to go here every time we're in Savannah. And now we are on the way to see what we can see in the historic district. I'm gonna do a little bit of a Savannah walking tour. Don't be in my video if you don't want to be in my video. Mom! One of the things that I love about Savannah, especially the historic district, is you literally feel like you've been transported back in time. The buildings are well preserved and they tell such a story. There are also plaques on a lot of the historical sites, so you're able to Google, find out more about the significance of the area. And if you're the type that likes hop on, hop off buses, it's a great way to see that part of the city very easily while soaking up some more interesting facts about the city. I feel like every time I come to Savannah, it feels new because I'm doing something slightly different or just exploring a different nook. The 2 vlogs that I had this year were actually the first times that I tried to be a tourist in Savannah. And I'm enjoying that journey of like rediscovering the things that I thought that I knew and thought that I knew well. And I appreciate being able to share it with you all. If you watched this vlog up to this point, thank you so much for your support. Comment below and let me know what you enjoy about my content, what you would like to see more of. I am new on this channel and I try to be the best vlogger for you, but also it's hard to know what you guys want to see if you don't let me know. So please let me know what you're interested in seeing and I will do my best to bring it to this channel for you. See you next week, Travel Baes. Bye.